Nissan has unveiled the refreshed Rogue Sport specifically tailored for the Chinese market, aiming to captivate consumers with its updated design, enhanced features, and improved driving dynamics. This latest iteration of the Rogue Sport exemplifies Nissan's commitment to innovation and customer centricity, offering a blend of style, performance, and technology to meet the evolving preferences of Chinese drivers. The refreshed Rogue Sport boasts a redesigned exterior that reflects Nissan's modern design language while retaining the SUV's distinctive identity. Up front, a new grille design and updated LED headlights create a more aggressive and dynamic appearance, complemented by sleek lines and aerodynamic contours that enhance both aesthetics and efficiency. Inside the cabin, Nissan has prioritized comfort, convenience, and connectivity to elevate the driving experience. Premium materials, ergonomic seating, and advanced infotainment systems provide a luxurious and intuitive environment for both driver and passengers. The redesigned interior space offers ample room for occupants and cargo, making the Rogue Sport a versatile choice for urban commuting and weekend getaways alike. Under the hood, the refreshed Rogue Sport offers a range of efficient powertrain options, designed to deliver responsive performance and impressive fuel economy. Engineered to meet stringent emission standards, these powertrains ensure a smooth and enjoyable driving experience while minimizing environmental impact. In terms of technology, the refreshed Rogue Sport is equipped with Nissan's latest suite of driver assistance systems and connectivity features. From advanced safety technologies like intelligent cruise control and lane departure warning to smartphone integration and voice-activated controls, the Rogue Sport keeps drivers connected and confident on the road. Nissan's commitment to innovation extends beyond the vehicle's design and technology to include sustainability initiatives. The refreshed Rogue Sport incorporates eco-friendly materials and efficient engineering practices that reduce its carbon footprint without compromising performance or reliability, aligning with Nissan's global vision for a more sustainable automotive future. As Nissan introduces the refreshed Rogue Sport to the Chinese market, it underscores the brand's strategy to expand its SUV lineup and cater to diverse consumer preferences. With its refreshed design, enhanced features, and practicality, the Rogue Sport aims to appeal to drivers seeking a stylish, capable, and technologically advanced compact SUV. In conclusion, the refreshed Nissan Rogue Sport for the Chinese market represents a harmonious blend of style, performance, and innovation. With its updated design, advanced features, and commitment to sustainability, the Rogue Sport reaffirms Nissan's position as a leader in the competitive SUV segment, offering Chinese drivers a compelling choice for their automotive needs.